On behalf of JSPM Rajashri Shahu College of Engineering, Tathaude Pune, from Department of Civil Engineering, I, Mrs. Gausia Sayyed, presented this session on subject Structural Design 1. Today I am going to discuss SD1 term work, sheet number 6. Detailed sketch of roof truss and connections. So let us go to learn how to draw the sheet number 6. So this sheet number 6 you have to divide in 3 parts. So the main part or the large part of this sheet you have to draw the details of roof truss. And second, you have to draw a table which shows different members of a truss with maximum compression tension force with dimension and bolded details. And the second table on right side, you have to write the notes which shows the details of industrial shade. So let us discuss the every part separately. So let's go. The first details of roof truss. Here the sheet is considered or draw by size of shade 17 meter by 60 meter, and here you have to show half truss details as due to symmetry there is no need to show the full truss. So this is the half span. So total is a 17 meter. So half is 8.5 meter. The rise of this truss is 3.5 meter, and you can draw a sloping lane by inclined line which can be joined by these 2 points, or you can draw this line by referring the slope of this truss. So this is a slope length, and this one is the column of size ISMB 500. So let us learn a simple method how to draw this truss. First, you have to draw a center line. This center line, what is the dimension of the center line? This is the center line from the center of this column to the ridge line. And what is that? 8.5 plus half of this 500, 250. So this one is a 8750. Then draw a center line of rise of distance 3.5 meter. And you can draw or you can connect this 2 point by an inclined line, nothing but the sloping lane. So in this manner, first you have to draw a triangle, and this triangle is nothing but the center line of all the members which form the truss. Now after drawing the center line, now let us show the member of truss. So here I have shared the rafter of size 60 by 60 by 6. So what is that meaning? 60 is a one side, second one is a 60, the second side of that angle section, and 6 is the thickness. So how to draw the 60 on this roof truss? So just simple, you have to draw a rectangle in such a way that from above of that center line 30 mm is there and below is 30. So overall is 60 mm one size of angle sections, and you have to show the thickness of this angle 6 mm. Hello, are you getting how to draw the rafter on this truss? Means this line, this is the rafter. Okay, the size is 60, so 30 mm above the center line, 30 below the center line. And what is the thickness of this angle section? 6 mm. So you have to show this thickness 6 mm. Similar way, you can join or draw this vertical strut center line, and the distance of this two vertical line is nothing but the spacing of purlin. Similar way, you can complete this diagram by showing the angle section width and their thickness. So we can get this diagram. this is a rectangle second. Again for this vertical size is again 60 by 60 by 6. Again this, in this manner you have to complete it. And for inclined member also the size is 60 by 60 by 6, so you can again go for the same. So in this manner first you have to complete this main truss which form the different members. And after that you have to show the gusseted base. And in this case, after drawing this half roof truss, you have to make a enlarged view or zoom view of this joint. Likewise here, again this is joint details at the ridge. This joint details from the tension member connecting strut and sling. Okay, is it clear how to draw the half roof truss? Now I am discussing the details of this zoom or enlarge view. Here I have to show you one joint details at ridge. So just keep in your mind on sheet you have to draw this detail, and care should be taken that all readings and all words is in capital letters, and you have to draw the every members as per the scale. So this member is rafter or top chord. As per our design, the size of this rafter is 2 ISA 60 by 60 by 6. You have to show the dimension as well as the size. Then this is a strut. You have to show the size also on that detail sketch or the zoom view, 80 by 50 by 6. Then this is a gusseted plate. Thickness is 8 mm. This is the diameter of bolt. In this case, M16 bolt is used. This is the distance between two bolt is known as pitch, and this is the distance between this one bolt with edge is known as edge distance. So you have to show what is the pitch distance, what is the edge distance in that details. The connection should be so arranged that the centroidal axis of member meeting at the connection at a joint. So care should be taken that you have to place this member or the centroid of all the member should be joined at one joint. And this is the important factor you have to keep in mind while placing the bolt and connected these different members with gusseted plate. Care should be taken that the centroidal axis of member meeting at a connection at a joint. Okay, so you have to show all these details, the sizes, their name, diameter of bolt, again center line of this diagram. Hello, are you getting it? It's easy. So you have to draw each and every details of joint. Also, you have to show the cross section of this rafter. Here on rafter or top chord, we have to use double angle section, and similarly for tension member or tie member you have to use double angle sections, and for vertical strut and sling you have to use single angle section. So in that detailing you have to show the cross section of angles also. Now on the right part you have to write the notes. In that you have to show span of the truss of your project, length of the shade, height, type of truss. So all the details which you have to consider while designing the industrial project. And again you have to draw one table which shows the details of roof truss. including maximum forces, connection details, and size of member. So you have to draw this table which shows the name of the truss member, maximum compressive force, maximum tensile force. These are the forces we have considered to design the rafter, and as per design we get the size to ISA 60 by 60 by 6. So you have to write the member dimension here and the number of bolts required to connect this rafter to gusseted base. So in this manner you have to draw the table which shows the details of connections and dimension of member. So in this manner you have to complete sheet number 6. Thank you so much for watching.